hello there YouTube. Today is Thursday, October 1st, a day off. So it's a beautiful day, so I'm out for a ride. This says 82, but I bet it's only 80 or close to it. But what a great day. One subscriber wanted to call me, or he wanted me to call him, and Jim, I will call you. I just spent 3 hours on the phone yesterday and I just lost track of time. So I will call you tomorrow when I get back in the office. And I apologize for not calling back. I wrote down your numbers wrong. But beautiful day. Don't know where I'm going. I'm just heading north. Just went through Cupperus Cove and heading towards Gatesville. So I don't have a topic to talk about, so I'll sign off for now. Bye.